Hey guys, people are not happy with Maggie after asking donation of 8,000 rand to buy a television. Guys, after that, she went again to purchase items that they worth more than 50,000 rand. Guys, she bought couch, she bought her son an iPhone that is costing 6,000. Guys, she bought a lot of stuff for alcohol. There's so many things that she bought. She even wanted 100,000 rand from Betway, guys, and people are asking themselves, what is wrong with Maggie, guys? That's greedy. You can't ask your followers there for 8,000 rand for television while you are making more than 100k per month, guys. The photos don't know, Maggie, she's one of the highest paid content creator in South Africa, guys. There was a time where she used to share how much she's making. Even Owami came out to say, no, Maggie, you need to protect your kids. You don't go social media and post anything that has to do with money. People are watching. South Africa, we live in Cyril Ramaphosa economy. People are hungry. People will do anything to come to your house so that they can get all the stuff. And people have been complaining with Michael. So Mikey has been unfair, honestly speaking. For someone who's making 100k and you're asking 8,000 rand. After that, you post your content, going shopping, going to Roko Mamas, getting your kids sneakers, and then you come here and say people are bullying you. That is totally unfair. So there are people that really did donate for Maggie. I think the amount, it was 10,000 rand, and she went and buy the television, guys. I do understand when people love you, guys. There are people are saying, oh, this is our money, guys. There are people that don't have a problem. Even if she has 1,000 rand, someone who's doing so well on social media say, can you please donate 10 rand? They will do that, guys. We are not the same. There are people that used to donate money for their pastor so the pastor can go to KFC now. So people are saying a lot of stuff, but it seems like as the followers like Maggie, guys, they don't see any problem. They want to see Maggie happy. They're gonna continue to donate for Maggie, and they don't care even how much Maggie she's making per month. And some are saying the reason why we donated to Maggie is because she also gave back to the community, guys. So this is how to thank her, guys, by watching the videos here and liking the comment, the post. That's how you give back to your followers, to your favor, guys. So if you want to do more, I don't know what you're doing. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.